Yate. This is Azrael, and I'm not showing my face because I feel a little bit dysphoric right now, but I promised some pronunciation of Navajo, so I decided to create this video before I forgot again. I promised one of my friends that I'd give him the pronunciation this morning, but I ended up spacing out and I didn't get around to it until this afternoon. So this post I made has a whole bunch of different words that somebody had put on that page, and had said that all of the words meant male, but they're not actually. There's only a couple of them that actually specifically refer to males being different from females, but most of the terms are gender neutral. So these are Navajo words. Newborn baby. Weche. A baby under 5 years old. Weyasi. Toddler. We Dish. A young tribesman of any gender. Dine. A teen. Silk-a. And finally, Ashki is a child. The people are known as Dine. This can describe any person who has earned their place in the tribe, particularly amongst adults. A distinguished man is Hastoi. A grandpa is Hastoi Sani. Hastin is man, and Hastin Sani is old man. So Navajo is a phonetic language, so it's a little bit hard to read. It's a little bit hard to pronounce because it's very different from most languages. Most languages are not written phonetically like that. The only one I have seen in such a way has been Esperanto. And I don't much care for Esperanto either. I like Navajo, but because there's not a lot that's very clear about it, and not very many native from birth speakers anymore, it's kind of hard to translate back and forth into very understandable, concise meanings in our language. Single words can identify various spectrums of emotion. For instance, I can't recall the word at the moment. I'm tripping over my words. But there is a word, I believe it is the word for purple, in fact, that is named for a flower. So the word translates in English to the entire very long name for that flower. But in Navajo, it's just purple to them because that's the color that that flower was. So there's diphthongs. A, E, O, I are the most common ones. A, E together is pronounced I. Not A, usually. And AI is also I. So with more of a accent on the I or the I, as the vowel, as the vowel is called Navajo. Two letters together doesn't necessarily make it a sharp brev. It actually usually makes it into a short vowel that is drawn out just slightly longer. So two I's together is the only distinction from that, where if you say I, you can also say I, and it's just slightly longer. the short vowels are to be said rapidly, so one I would be pronounced I, and two of them together would be I. That brings me to my next point, since I accidentally intoned that last part. I'm sorry. In the writing that I posted, you might notice... Oh crap, I might have to post another video. I'm sorry, I talked for too long.